Hey, it's Fred again with another video, and this time, we are talking about balanced diets. Balanced diets help us to get all the nutrients we need to be healthy. Let us dive into basic food groups that we will cover in this video. Fruit and vegetables, starchy carbohydrates, dairy, proteins, fats, and water. So let's begin with fruit and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables are very healthy for you. Your mommy and daddy probably told you this when you were young. I bet you still call your father daddy. Oh, daddy, I know I need to eat my 5 a day. Here you can see very clearly some examples. Bananas and strawberries are my favorite fruit. I also love my onions and carrots. How about you? Let me know in the comments. I'm sure daddy will be proud. Next on the list is carbohydrates. You know something. They taste great in moderation. That's the word, moderation. Otherwise, you will turn into a fat fart, a rather healthy fat fart. Some carbohydrates include pasta and rice, but stick to the brown stuff, not poop silly. How about dairy? Well, cows are your best friend. Milk is where it's at when it comes to dairy. Also butter, eggs, and whatnot. Which also leads on to the next thing if your stomach is rumbling over that cow. Protein. Protein is a great food group for those bodybuilders. It makes them swell up more than your thumb after being hit by a hammer. If you missed that clip on the previous video, what are you waiting for? Go back and watch that. Pretty much any animal is a good source of protein. Also beans if you a veggie muncher. Fats. Well, that is obvious, eh? That's what you're trying to lose, you fat fart. However, if it floats your boat, then consider eating people for your fats. Remember the swimming from last time? Well, you can drink that water too. It's good for you. Just be careful it's not yellow, as that could be pee. Unless you enjoy a slightly sour taste to your water. Damn, that's a mouthful. I better sign off for now, so as always, if you are new here and are enjoying this, please consider subscribing. But for now, have a wonderful day, and do not forget, my friend, we are working on this together. Fat farts unite to make one big fat farting step to a healthier body, mind, and soul. Fred signing out for now. Bye-bye. Oh, daddy, you will miss your daddy, oh yes. Oh, I almost forgot. I am now on TikTok. Come follow me and enjoy some short clips on how to stay healthy over there. Trust me, it is not something to miss out on.
I know. Why is it upside down, man?
How can a fucking sausage be upside down, you stupid little cunt?